Guys, in this guide, we will select 12 winning numbers. We will use these 12 numbers as base for our combination. Yes, we will generate our combination, but this strategy will lessen the number of combination but targeted to win the jackpot prize and all the consolation prize. Okay, now I will select my 12 numbers. Just replace your choosing numbers. Just follow this guide and the pattern to generate your combination. These are my 12 numbers. These are my selected 12 numbers: 13, 7, 8, 20, 25, 30, 33, 41, 50, 51, 61, 64. Labeled by A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Now, we will generate the combination. Just use this pattern. Generate the secret combinations. So, here are, just use this pattern. Okay? So, 13, A is B, 7, C, 8, guys, just use this pattern to generate your combination. Guys, these are your secret combination. Just use this pattern to generate all your combination. Now, how effective is this? Back test based on your local lottery to see it to yourself. You will win the jackpot prize and most of the consolation prize. You can try this to backtest to see if this is effective based on your local lottery. This is for 6-digit number or 5-digit number. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Thank you.